a couple times in the last month.
But isn't she gonna be here tomorrow? So you could give her mango bean.
Hi guys. I guess she's a little flea-ridden now.
Oh, come here. Give me a kiss.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Good morning, guys. Magtahi sa Oh, alam nyo, this morning, this morning, I was really busy. I clean up the garage because I have a lot of boxes. The deer, yung deer na in-unbox ko at hindi ko rin matapos-tapos yung deer na yan. Hindi pa nga siya na-display sa labas. Kahapon, guys, na-busy din ako, guys. Dahil, ang ginawa ko is pumunta ako dito sa Arik, dito, para tawag nito, para magkuha ng mga panggamit sa Christmas. Yung mga kutsara, tinidor, yung mga ganun ba. So, mga hinanap ko kasi andun sila sa atik lahat. Naghanap ako kung anong meron kami dito na sa table, yung tablecloth, kasi hindi kami nakahanap ng puti na tablecloth or gray. So, yun. At saka, meron ako nakakita doon sa taas, sa Arik. So, kinuha ko, dinala ko dito sa baba. So, yun. 12:40 na, hindi pa tumawag yung asawa ko. So, hindi ko alam kung alas na siya. And, hintayin ko lang si Tami. And, tignan ko rin itong yung nakalimutan ko na meron pa pala akong ganito, Tiffany na meron pala akong Tiffany na regalo namin ni Tami sa kasal. Yung trabaho ni Tami na, yung kumpanya na pinagtatrabahoan ni Tami, nagpadala sila ng Tiffany. Dalawa actually yung nila, dinisplay ko yung isa. Nakalimutan ko na meron pa sila, Tiffany. Ang ganda talaga ng Tiffany, no? So, tignan ko kung magagamit ko ito sa Christmas. Ang bigat! Ay, ano to? Parang flutter man ito. Like, lagyan ng cheese ba? Cheese, ay, gamitin ko to. Takot man ako. Maganda ito pang display, oh. Ano siya, oh. Mabibiak talaga to, eh. Tiffany. Tiffany & Co. Made in Germany. Hala! Ngayon lang ako nakahanap ng ganito na made in Germany na product. Mostly nababasa ko made in Japan, made in Taiwan, made in China mostly talaga. Ito, kunin ko siya para magamit ko lahat. Para sa Christmas, gamitin para sa Christmas, guys. And ano pa ba? Hugasan ko lang siya, And saan yung pang-cake? Asan yung pang-cake? Ito, para man ito sa sugar man ito. Bisika. Ilabas ko lang to sila. And then, gamitin. Siya, yung brand ng brand ito, guys, is Misaka. Yeah. Misaka. Vietnam. Maganda siya, guys. Mataas lang siya, guys. Oh, matutusok ka nito. Mataas. Iwan ko kung ilang tao ang pumunta dito. Yung iba kasi, maliit na lang yung andito kasi andun na ginagamit ko. Kasi gustong-gusto ko to. Ito yung mga serving spoon. Labas ko lang yan din. Nagagandahan talaga ko nito. Ito is parang cake. Cake. Ilabas ko din yan. Hindi ko nakita, guys, kung asan yung guys. Ando na pala yung pangkat ng cake. So, ibalik ko to sa taas. Come in! In! Hala, na-excited si Mitika. Mitika, excited mo dyan. Kita. Ay, the Dada's coming here, you know? He'll be here, Dada. Yeah. You go get him. You should go get him. Oh, my God. You should go get him. Yeah, Dada's gonna be here. Dada's gonna be here. Yeah, Dada's gonna be here. Where's Dada, Mitch? Hello, Mitch. Where's Dada, Mitch? Ito ang isa guys. Ito ano siya. Hello, where's Dada? Hello? We're busy. Oh, I have to fix this light kasi guys, di ba nilagyan ko siya ng tape? Tignan nyo, nahuhulog sa tape. No, yung tape hindi nag-hold. So, para siyang nabibitay na nabibitoy. Gusto ko sana siyang i-keep para sa may mga occasion, ganyan-ganyan. Ginagamit ko na yung iba. And, sa isip ko, ay, bakit magkikip pa ako para sa occasion? Gamitin natin habang ano pa, maganda pa. Ano pa. And, nakita ko rin siya, guys. Ito, hold on, guys, ha. Tignan natin. Nabili namin ito ni Tami sa 7S. Matagal na, few years ago. I think. Meron akong pulang tablecloth. Pula lang yung gamitin natin. Gusto ko sana, pula kasi Christmas. Gusto ko sana puti. Kasi para maano sa rumba na black and white. So, yun. Gusto ko sana black and white. Gusto ko white siya. Sabi, meron ako nakita sa, guys, sa Amazon. Zebra din, katulad ng upuan. Yung cover sa upuan, zebra. Sabi pa ni Tami, wag na. Puro na zebra. Puro na black and white. Yung natin, pangit. So, sabi ko, wag na lang. Sige, di, wag na. Ano ba? Well, actually, ito, guys, sana ito. Kaso, hindi. Ano siya? Maganda ito, oh. Ano siya, guys, oh, candle. And, meron nilagay si Tami. Meron binili si Tami, matagal na para sa akin. Buhay pa pala ito, guys. Akala ko patay. Buhay pa pala. Sana okay pa to. Battery operated din ito. Hala, nag-upbook ka, oh. Battery operated yan, guys. Buhay pa ang battery, guys. Look. And sis, love you lots. Andun dito sa, guys, oh. Love you lots. Binigay to sa akin, ah. Matagal na to, guys. Real candle pala siya. Ito, oh. Wala siyang baho. Ano lang siya.
Ayun lang naman po. Wait lang, ganito kasi baka mamaya binabase mo yung pagmamahal niya doon sa wag mong gawan ng issue na hindi siya gaano.
You have reached the voicemail.
Bakit ayaw sumagot? You stay there. I'll be right back. Hello, bitch! Hello, baby! Hello! Hello, my love! Hi, guys. Kakaiba talaga yung feeling ko, guys. Ngayon, guys. Meron ako, guys. Pero alam nyo ba kung ano yung naobserbahan ko kapag meron ako, guys? Yung mood ko is sobrang lala. Anyway. At saka feeling ko ang bloated ko. Hi guys, so nagkakat na ako ng guys, yung steak. Ang ganda ng steak na ito, 'di ba? Parang sa Korean lang. So magkakat pa ako ng extra and then this. And i-marinate ko lang siya nito, guys. Soy, maliit, konting oil, garlic, and what else? Lemon.
A couple times in the last month.
But isn't she gonna be here tomorrow? So you could give her mango bean soup?
Yeah, there's a lot of left over.
Alright.
You want to take the salad?
No, what are you talking about? Why'd you buy so much stuff? You are crazy.
Why? It's still in the news?
Give me back.
It's
Give me some.
still in the news?
You want the spring mix?
No, keep it.
You like the spring mix?
Yeah, that's fine. Or whatever, but that's a lot. Because I'm just the only one that eats it.
So they're out of the news?
Huh?
They're out of the news? The bad thing?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so when are you guys
You want the
getting
fried
mom?
chicken?
So when are you guys getting mom tomorrow?
Well, the only reason I got the fried chicken was because I didn't know if there'd be enough of what you...
Sam is here and it's already 6 o'clock and I'm hungry, guys. And I marinated this one, so I'm going outside. Well, we're gonna eat kind of like Korean style, guys, because I'm gonna bring the grill here, and then while we're eating, I'm gonna keep putting this in the grill.
And I'm making my coffee.
Okay, you go make your coffee. Say hi, Tommy.
Hi, guys.
He's here, guys. She just got here, and his sister. That's why I can't vlog, because my sister-in-law's here. She just really left the house. And Tommy buy KFC because we thought that my sister-in-law's gonna be here. So which is good that I can do mukbang with that also again. And also, guys, I made this munggo, ginataang munggo. And yeah, ito yan, guys, oh. Marinated na siya, guys. I'm gonna go outside and put that charcoal grill. Ready that outside. He's going to use his new machine. What machine is this again? So, and also I make, guys, dalawa lang kami, guys, pero ang daming pagkain. Where are the dogs? Han, they don't even eat dinner yet, Han.
Okay.
Can you feed them, Han? I'm gonna go outside. Oh, I feel bad, baby. They don't have their food
What
yet.
fault is that?
They don't have it. I'm busy cooking. No. Where is your sister and brother? Hello, uy, dada busy. Kain ako, guys, gutom.
Okay, that's where if I'm busy, they get something special. That's what they figure.
Hold on, guys, ha. Kasi gutom na sila. 6:30 na. Tommy is busy with his kaput-kaput.
Food, alright.
Don't make anything here, Mickey. Gutom din ako, guys, as in sobrang gutom. And gusto ko sana gamitin yung grill. Kaso, pagpunta ko sa labas, nilagyan ko na ng apoy. Pinahon ko. I kind of like, I shut it off. It's so windy. So, hindi ko siya naluluto sa labas or sa grill. So, ang ginawa ko is dito ko na lang siya niluluto ganito. Yo, you prioritize your thing na. I'm hungry ba ya? Nay, don't. What did you bring for them? No sugar supposedly?
I don't. Most people put more sugar in that than a regular coffee.
Yeah, because I know it's gonna be sweet.
Hey, lump.
Hello, who is that?
Little man.
Sorry, Demps.
No, little man.
Little man, get down. Little bag down. Hindi ko na initin ito kasi si Tommy kaluka.
Little man, get off the chair.
Ito yung dinner namin, guys. Ang dami. Mashed potato, coleslaw gravy, munggo, rice, chicken, salad. Is this the two of us?
Yeah, because we thought there'd be 4 of us.
Yeah. What is this? Beef and how do you call that? Asparagus. So I'm gonna have dinner, guys, and I'm going to film myself, and then you'll see it in my other channel. Tapos na kaming kumain. Busugan na ako, guys. Oy. So ngayon, lilinisin natin yan kasi ang daming dapat linisin. Just dump it over there because I will put it. Naglalaba kasi ako. Naghanap siya ng blanket. Nilaban ko. That's the one that is a sandahan?
Yes.
Yes.
I thought you understood that already. This is part 2. This is the one where you have to find a wife.
You don't explain it to me. Oh, so the first one is the one that he found. He looked for his wife.
No, the first one is the one where you Santa Claus died on his roof or something.
Happy that he has a new wash blanket, guys.
Because his son doesn't know it.
Oh. He dropped my shoulder when I passed him in the show. Like you do to me, like that. Like you do to me, like that.
Christmas is getting very complicated. I'm Ray, and I quit smoking with Chantix.
You do that to me all the time.
It dictates your day. I didn't like something happy.
Allergic and skin reactions, which could be life-threatening. Stop Chantix and get help right away if you have any of these. Tell your healthcare provider if you've had depression or other mental health problems. Decrease alcohol use while taking Chantix 6.
What happened to you?
I got beaten up.
You love your blanket, are you?
Wear forever.
Okay.
This holiday,
Here we're looking at MaryAnn lying down with the dogs. You know what they say, when you lie with dogs, you wake up with fleas. So, I guess she's a little flea-ridden now.
no, they don't have precision spray and vibrating cleaning head loosen and scrub stains, all while navigating kitchens, bathrooms, and those larger.
Of course, we won't get to see her face because we get to see the dog's butt instead.
Together. This week at Target, save on hundreds
Hi
of
guys.
gifts.
I just lie down with Rock Misty.
Save on appliances. Save on beauty.
Come on, closer here.
Stores open till 10 p.m. Christmas Eve.
What, you don't know how to vlog, huh?
I don't know how to vlog. I don't know.
Joke like, oh my god, look at this dog. She loves it. Look at this one, huh? She loves
This
it.
is like a stuffed animal. You just push her around and throw her around.
Yeah.
6 months free Apple Music on the network you
This
deserve.
is what she wants.
When you order Domino's, use
We're
Domino's
very happy.
Yeah,
Oh, look at the other one. There you go. She becomes the pillow.
devices. They'll come running for their mix and match.
They're babies, my babies.
So,
And then the tail start going.
where I can get a
Welcome to Marwin. Rated PG-13.
Browse for days. Enhanced up to 48 hours. New Unbelievable Brow
Look at that
Power
face.
Brow Gel by L'Oreal Paris. No smudge.
Roxy's face.
Waterproof. It's
Right.
Unbelievable
Ah.
Brow Gel
Oh.
by L'Oreal Paris.
Don't follow me, Rox.
That would be me.
There you go. Give Mama kisses. Give Mama kisses.
We're gonna have the best Christmas ever.
Kisses for Mama. Give Mama the kisses.
Give Roxy kiss. Give me a kiss, Rox. Roxy, come here. People think that we don't love you, but you are so spoiled too. Spoiled too. Yes, you are. Yes, you are spoiled. Yes, you are spoiled.
What a face. What a face. What a little pretty girl. My big girl. We're watching Tim Allen and the Santa Claus too. Oh, this thing's slipping around on this thing. Okay, Rox. Go give your mama kisses.
Roxy, come here. Give me a kiss, Rox. Come here. I'll give you something. Come
Mama
here.
kisses.
Roxy, come. Come here. Come here. Give me a kiss. Give Rock Misty. Roxy, come to Mama. Kisses. Give Mama a kiss.
Looks like you're going out somewhere. I'm sorry, I should have called.
No, it's okay.
Oh, good girl.
Give you something. Get back to him.
Okay. Say goodbye to the camera because the battery is blinking, means it's dying. Oh, don't lick the lens. Don't lick the lens. Now it's going to be all smeary.
Okay, guys. Do you want bones, guys?
Okay.
Always happy. Always happy. Always with Dada. Matulog na rin ako, guys. Kasi hindi nga ako nag-edit ng video today. Kasi grabe ang ginagawa ko ngayon. Ha? Naglilinis ako dito. Yes. Pinatay ko lang yung ilaw. Christmas tree, Naglilinis ako, naglalaba. And yun. And pagkatapos niyan, nagluluto na ako. Yun, at saka matulog na kami. Kasi kamayo aki. Matulog na kami, guys. Kailangan na, guys. Yung mata ko masakit, sobrang sakit. Tami, pumunta lang sa baba si Tami sa basement. I'm going to end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night. I appreciate your time. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas. Good night, guys.